Yeah, boss, I'm outside here.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Are you winner?
Yeah.
No, sir. Watch nice car. It's a good look. I like it. How when you buy it?
Well, boss, you just linked me last night and give me the key.
Compulsory savings.
What else?
Some money's not easy, you know.
How about going?
Walk with me. Let me tell you how Mr. Mullins do. When we take money out of your pay, your monthly pay, and put it down as compulsory savings. How would I interviews and buy the car for you?
That's how I move.
He's a good man in a whisper. Him look out for who him care about. He might have unorthodox ways, but he's a general.
I realize that now.
Me I go round at Tony and so that means me not have to drive, so we can surprise her.
Tony, I'm worried. I'm going to pick up Patty from around the last time.
Excuse me. So Patsy get her first drive already?
Yeah.
So that's the lunch you get?
Bossy, go and get ready.
Alright, for son. Good. Now that's gentleman. Then you get drive before me? That's because I'm special. So me hour.
It's special too.
That's a special too. Aye, my expect for me. You not even look for me when you come around here in a new car.
Tony, you're wicked, man. I never hear it when I leave.
That's how when you leave. What me to when you reach? Oh, you say true, you're up in a taxi, you not even realize that we stand up this too. And that's a one? Yes. She has cock up her foot on dashboard, let me show you. See her foot here? Okay, so. And I rub down legs and I take picture. And that one. Oh, wait, you're not say to me. And that, when the car pull up, you want to hear her. I would them people with them old car come and park up at the sun. When she see whisper come out, hear her, baby!